Yeah, okay, guys. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, wherever part of the world you're watching this video from. So, thank you for joining in this program, this online video. So, what I'm going to show you today is I'll be showing you guys on how to create a landing page with sister.io. Yeah, sister.io. Sorry, I know this should be the first time. If this is the first time of you visiting my channel, you can just check here. This is Legit Hustle TV, where we show you how to make money online. There are several type of videos here that we create. If you know you are new, just make sure you subscribe, like the notification button, so that you be getting notification whenever we drop a video on something like this. You can see these are all the series of videos I've dropped so far. So on today I'll be showing you guys on how to create a landing page directly from system.io, creating a professional landing page. And the landing page we are going to create here, we are going to be selling the Netflix app, the Netflix alternative app, where I will be teaching you on how to create a landing page and get leads directly to your WhatsApp and sell to them, and sell this software to them. So the software we are going to promote is that Netflix Netflix app that will enable you to stream unlimited videos without subscribing to your Netflix, without subscribing to Netflix. So many people have been wasting money subscribing to Netflix every month for the past how many years now. They have been wasting money. So why don't you just get this app? Just get this app. Once you get the app, and just pay for once and have access to everything for eternity. Okay, for eternity. So that is the reason why we have to create a landing page to show you how you'll be able to go within this process, by creating a professional landing page where you can sell out this uh, this app to people who really wants to get something of this. So I'll be showing you how to create the landing page, and also showing you how to get a domain name and linking directly to your system.io landing page. The main reason why we are creating this video tutorial is to show you guys how you can host you can actually get a free hosting from your system.io without you doing monthly renewal from other site like Namecheap, uh HostGator, all those sites where you'll be paying every month, or you just pay for you're going to be paying for yearly uh, domain, to host your domain. So with system.io, you're not going to pay for that. It's just for you to just get your domain name and just point your domain property to system.io, and you will never be paying for hosting again. So it's an alternative where you don't need to pay for hosting again. So that is why we have to come up with this video, so we can show you how to go across the process, to go within the process. So if you know this is the first time of you visiting my channel, this is Legit Hustle TV. Make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so that whenever we drop a video on something like this, you'll be the first to be notified. So if you take a look here, I have to go to my system.io so I can just show you guys something. This is my dashboard. You can see, once I come to sales funnel, this is where you can create your sales funnel. Once I come to sales funnel, you can see some funnels I've already created. This was a funnel I created for an online CPA university stuff, where we teach students how to do all the CPA. You can say this is a landing page. I use system.io to create this beautiful landing page you're seeing right here. You can see, take a look at the landing page. This is what we created, something like this, to get people who can actually people who can actually get our course, register, and be part of our students. So this is number one, and this is the other funnel. I'm going to show you the other funnel I created. This is actually, those of you who actually bought the spot trading bots, you can see I created my own website using system.io. This is what I created for the AI betting software, which we actually got from the Brainiac, our boss. So I created something like this, but I could not promote it based on one or two things like that. Based on the update, we have been complaining of the update. So Mr. Brainerd have to like meet up with me. I say, okay, let's put on something that we can actually, you know, give it out for people to do. So I just have to just come in to show you guys, because the other way was somehow very difficult for some students, buying a domain name and also be hosting it every day. But right here in system.io, you don't need to host anything. You're not hosting anything right here. It's just for you to just get the domain name and just point it to the system.io, and you are not going to like be paying for hosting. So, and this is it. If I come to this other site here, this is another page, and I'm going to show you an example of what we are going to be doing, the kind of landing page we'll be creating for us to be able to market our Netflix alternative app, our Netflix hack app. So if you take a look at this, let me go back here from sales funnels. If you take a look at sales funnels there, you're going to see that I created like two sales funnels here. So you can see this is actually for the one we want to do right now. So this is the one I created. You can see enjoy unlimited streaming of latest Netflix movies and TV series without paying a dime for monthly subscription ever again. You can see this is a very beautiful and very simple. So I'll be showing you guys on how to go about this step by step. So I just want to show you a sample I did. This is the sample I did. You can see once you come here, you click on yes, I'm interested. It's going to show you here, take you down here where you will be asked to watch the short 11-minute video below to see how this very software that we are going to sell, how it works. You can see if you are interested in the Netflix hack app, you just click here. Once they click here, is the site is actually taking them to your WhatsApp, where they are going to message you that they need the app, they pay for the app, and you send them the app. So this is exactly what we'll be doing right now. I'll be showing you guys right from the scratch on how to go about it and how to create a beautiful landing page like this. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, I just have to like go to my phone. If you've not like you don't have an account with system.io, I will be dropping a link below the description of this video, so you can just go through the process and create an account. It's very simple to create an account. Within 2-3 minutes you're done with your account creating. Okay, so we'll have to create a new landing page. So this is where you're going to come. Once you come to your dashboard, this is your main dashboard. You see, this is your main dashboard. You navigate to this area where it shows website. You're saying blog, you can create blog, search for a digital store right from this system.io. So the option we're going to click here is sales funnel. So you're going to click sales funnel and navigate here and click on create. So when you click on create, you have to give your sales funnel a name. You have to give your sales funnel a name. For instance, I want to give it like this. I want to give it this name, Netflix hack app. Okay, so they're going to ask you like, what exactly do you want to get from this funnel? Do you want to build an audience? Do you want to sell a product? Do you want to do your custom funnel from scratch or run an evergreen web banner? So, webinar, sorry. So, what we are going to do right now, we are going to go with this custom. Okay, you can just remove this and just leave it like that, or you just choose your this thing, the USD, just so you'll be able to proceed. Okay, let me see, Canadian. You can choose anything like euro, then just choose any stuff here. You understand? Just choose any stuff here, and you just click save, because this very one here is not necessary, because we are going to be buying a domain name that will link it directly here. So once you click here, you click on the Netflix hack app, and it's time for you to start customizing your app. So the next thing you're going to do here, you see this plus arrow below here. You click on it to add step, then you give it a name again. Just give it that same name, Netflix hack app, and you choose, actually you choose, and we are creating a quiz page, or is a quiz page is actually known as opt-in page. You click on this, and you click on save. So once you click on save, you are going to bring out a template that you're going to choose. So the next thing you're going to do, for you to see all the templates and select the one that is going to go with this very tutorial, you click on test. So it's going to it's going to load all the templates, then you make your choice and start customizing your landing page. So the one we're going to choose right here, let me go to next. There's a particular one we are going to choose right here. Let me show you. Okay, you can see particular one, we've just passed it. I just want to see if I can see more advanced and beautiful templates that we can use apart from that one. So there are so many beautiful templates here, so many beautiful templates. So we just have to go back and select that particular one. I have to go back, sorry, and select that particular one. Where is that template? Where is that template? Sorry, I just click on 30 and previous to get the template. Okay, we are going to choose this. Let's preview it and see. Yeah, this is what we are going to choose, something like this. So this is a template we are going to choose, and we'll start working on this template, customizing everything here on this template. So what we are going to do is, you go back again. Let me close this page. Go back and select this template. While selecting this template, we have to do editing right from scratch. You click on edit here, edit page. If you are using a mobile phone, it's going to show you in a the interface from the main app to the mobile phone is kind of different. So I'll click on edit. So I'll start editing my template. Click on edit to start editing my template. You can see these are those things that came with the template. So we will have to delete some stuff. This block contact, we don't need it. I have to delete it. This say goodbye here, we don't need it. We have to delete it. This stuff here, we don't need it. We have to delete it. Delete. Okay, I have to delete this and leave this other one here. Then we come down here and delete from here everything down. You have to delete everything. You guys should make sure you're following. Delete everything here. Also, let me see everything down here. Here, we delete this. Okay, as you can see, this is it. So when we check, this is our landing page. We just have to do some editing here, and remember, I'm going to take from the sample here. Let me see, I'm going to take from this sample here, the first sample here, so you can see that we are working according to the sample. So what you are going to do here, you write enjoy unlimited streaming of latest Netflix movie and TV series. Okay, that's what we're going to do. That's what we're going to do. So we come down here and type it. Let me see, for instance, let me just do control P, control C and paste. So this video will not be that long. Okay, so I'll have to just paste it here. You can see enjoy unlimited streaming of latest Netflix movies and TV series. Let's say if we can actually change this color, you highlight it and come over here. This is where you're going to see colors. Just choose any color you feel like to use. You can see the color here has changed. Okay, choose any other color again. Let's say we want to go with red. Or let's go with white. I think white is more better. Okay, this is white. You can see enjoy unlimited streaming of latest Netflix movie and TV series. So the next thing we're going to do right here, the next thing we're going to do is here we're going to write without paying a dime for monthly subscription ever again. Okay, I'm just copying it so that everything will be smooth, but just follow up. You're going to see that it's very easy and very smooth. I have to paste this. Okay, let me see, I don't want it to have the same color. Let me see if I can give it a black color. This will have to be a black color, and this is how it's going to look like. This is how it's going to look like. Okay, this is how it's going to look like. So the next thing we're going to do right now is we're going to import this image, our image here. Okay, we're going to import our image down here. So we will come to this area where you see something like image here, but first of all, this is what we're going to do. We're going to add a row. We're going to add a row here. You just click and drag and drop it here. Sorry, see, and drop it here. Once you click and drag and drop it here, the next thing is for you to come to the option where you see image here. Just drag it and drop it in the middle of that row. Have you seen? Just drag it and drop it in the middle of that row. You can see this is when you will now have to like upload your image here. So you upload it. If you want to upload your image, you see an option here, image. You see upload. Once you just click on upload, it will show you that you should upload from your system. You click on from the system. Let me see, this is the image here. I'll click on it and boom, it will upload. Have you seen? Once it upload, I'll click on insert so I can insert the image down there. Have you seen? Amazing. This is it. This is it. Once you just click and insert the image will be there. So the next thing we're going to do is I want to like widen the image to make it wide. Okay, I want to like make it wide, but if you want it like this, if it's still okay by you, you can still leave it like this. I know it's still okay, so we have to make it wide. No, reducing, we have to increase. Okay, this is the ratio, I think. Oh, okay, I think this is what we're doing. I have to keep it, and let's see how it's gonna look like. Okay, let me reduce it. Okay, you can make it blur. You can just leave it like that. You can actually make it soft, give it a shadow, just play along with this, but it's still okay. Let's view it on mobile phone. This is how it's going to look like on a mobile phone. Have you seen? If you are using a mobile phone, this is how it's going to look like on mobile phone. This is how it's going to look like on mobile phone. So let's say you are actually using a mobile phone to customize this. So the next thing we're going to do right now is we're going to put a white background here and add this. Click the link below to see the amazing app that makes this possible. I'll copy this and come back here. First of all, I think I'll have to delete this. We don't need that. So this is it. Then we come down here and add something like a column. Let me see. I'll add a column here. Then that column, I can give it a white background. You understand? I can give it a white background. You can see from here, we want to make it looks like this. Okay, want to make it look like this. So we're going to bring up a write-up inside here. So that is what we are going to do here. Bring up a write-up, and you go back and drag this text and place it here. Okay, once we drag the text, we place it there. Then we are going to give the text the background color. Like from the background, let's say, let me go with ash. Let me make it lighter. Yeah, this is it. I've make it lighter. Then I'll select the text. This is when I'll have to write in this text here. I'll copy it. Since I've already copied it, take note. I'll paste it here. Have you seen? This is the text I'm going to paste here. I'll paste it here. You can actually play with this, make it look nice. Like the font, you can reduce it. You can choose to increase it anyhow you want. You leave it. Have you seen? This is it. So the last thing we are going to do on this very landing page here, we are going to add a button where once we click this button, it's going to take us to the next page. Once the button is being clicked, we'll be taken to the next page. That is what we want to do right now. So you scroll down and see this button here, this hand pointing up. You click it, drag it down and place it there. So that is the button. So we are going to customize the button to look like this. We're going to customize the button, put it an arrow, make it to look like this. Yes, I'm interested. So let's customize the button. We'll click on the button here. Once you click on the button, you're going to see the write-up that was there on this button. So you're going to like give this button a command, like once someone click here, where does it take you to? So that is when you're going to put open, okay, take next step. You will take it to next step. Once someone click the button, it will take you to the next step. So we have to work on the button. We erase this, and it's showing subscribe text. We check down for subscribe text, we erase it too. So how do we come about with that arrow, with the arrow? So let me show you how we came about the arrow. You see the icon icon selector here before text, and this one after text. So you add the icon here before text. Once you click, you check for an arrow key pointing to the right corner. Is it right? Yeah, this is it. This is the arrow key. Then this is when our text will now come in. Click on it, our text will now come in. This is the bottom text. Have you seen? This is our bottom text. Let me take it to desktop mode. This is our bottom text. Okay. I'm sorry, there's a mistake somewhere because we were using the mobile version. So I have to rearrange it so it will match with everything. I have to rearrange it so that it will match with everything. This happens because we were actually using the mobile version to create it. So let's go back again. Sorry for that. I have to drag this icon and drop it here. Okay, this, I've dropped the icon. Then I'm going to add text, drop the text here. You can see that is the text. Then I'll highlight it and give the background a nice color. Okay, give the background a nice color. Then I'll paste the write-up here. Let me go back and copy this write-up here. I'll paste the write-up here. That is the write-up. Let me increase the font size a little bit. Yeah, that is it. I've increased the font size a little bit. Then the next thing here is to add, we are going to add our button. This is the button. Drag it and drop it down there. You know, everything is now arranged because I did not use the mobile version anymore. So I'll go back again and copy the text here. The text says, yes, I'm interested. Yes, I'm interested. That's what the text said. Yes, I'm interested. So we'll click on this. Remember, take it to the next step. Okay, where we have click here, we'll have to write yes. I'm interested. So we scroll down, the subtext here, we remove it. Then we are going to add the icon. We are going to add the icon here. We click here and check for an arrow pointing right. An arrow pointing right. This is the icon. Then if you're okay with this color, you change it. If you're not okay, let's try red. You can see, yeah, red is very beautiful. Have you seen? Red is very beautiful. So this is it. This is the first stage. We are done with this. Once you click here, it will take you to the next step. So we are going to create the next step. Make sure when you're creating it, you save. Once you save it, let's preview it and see how our landing page is going to look like. Wow, you can see. Okay, I made a mistake with this 30 secret. I have to remove it. You can see this is our landing page looking so beautiful. So let's go back here. I have to remove this guy here. This guy is not needed. I have to remove this guy here and click on save. Let's preview it again. See, wow. So once someone click here, it will take the person to the next step. You see thank you, which is thank you page. So we'll be creating our thank you page. The next page we are going to create right now is thank you page. So how do we create a thank you page? You will still come here and see this option that shows add step. Add step. This option that is showing add step. So we're going to add a new step, and this page we are going to call it, for instance, thank you page. Then we choose thank you page. Okay, this is a thank you page, and I'll click on save. So this is a thank you page, and we are still going to choose that template again, the one we used. We are still going to choose that same template. So let me check for the templates. I think we passed that same template. Let's preview this and see. This is a thank you page, but this is not what you are looking for. Let me go back again, and I think this time around we are going to see that page. Okay, this is it. We are going to select it. Thank you. So we edit it again just the same way we did with the other page. We did with the other page. We are going to remove this. We don't need it. Oh, sorry. I'm going to remove this. We don't need this guy here. This one, we don't need this guy here. So let me check the other sample. This is going to be there. Okay, this is going to be there because this is where we are going to like embed our video link down here. We're going to embed our video link down here, so we don't need to delete that. You don't need to delete that. Okay, let's check the other sample and see. Once you click here to take you can see from here, watch the short 11-minute video. Watch the short. This is where you're going to embed. For instance, let me show you. Once I click here, it's taking me to YouTube where I can actually watch the video right here. I'm sure by then you might have already embedded your video. So let's go back to work. So let's remove this. This is not needed. We have to remove this. Okay, we have to remove this. Sorry, I have to remove this. Okay, then we can leave something of this type. Let me give it a preview and see how it's going to look like. Okay, I will change the background here and give it at least a white background. Click on this. I have to give it a white background. I have to remove this. Okay, you have to remove that. That background is not needed. This is it. It's not needed. So the next thing we're going to do is to add a column and give it a color. We're going to add a column and give it a color. This is the column you are going to drag here. That's the column. I think we don't need this. That is a column, and we give it a blue color, something like this. You can see from here, from the view here, something of this. Okay, then you will now add your text here. Watch the short 11-minute video below. This is it. You now add text, drag text down here, and remove all these, and I have to paste this, make it bold, and increase the font, line spacing. You can see. Let's see what color is here. White is right here. White color is beautiful. The white color is beautiful. Give it a white color, and boom, that is it. Have you seen this? Click the link below to see the amazing app that makes this possible. Click the link below to see the amazing app that makes it possible. So what next are we going to do? We are going to put in our image here. We're going to bring in an image here. Sorry, you drag it down. Oh, let me delete this. We're going to bring in our image. This thing can be somehow complicating. Okay, bring in our image. drag it here, place it at the middle there. Drag it again. Okay, we have to bring it our image here, place our image here. I know most of you will be answering, what kind of image? Something like this, an icon like this, pointing, an arrow pointing down to indicate that you are going to watch this video. Watch the video below. So I'll click on the image and upload. Let me see if I have some images of that type here. No, I'll go to upload. I select. I've already downloaded the image that I was supposed to use. This is it. Oh, okay, this is it. I'll upload it. Once I've uploaded it, you can see that it's too big. So what I'm going to do is I have to reduce the size of the image. Keep reducing it to look like this. Okay, there's it. I have to reduce it to look like this. Okay, I have to reduce it to look like this. Let me delete this guy here. This is it. So the next thing we are going to do is to embed our video here. Let me see if I can check for the video link. Let's see, but I'm going to remove it. It's just for tutorial. It's just for tutorial. Let me see. View my channel. Okay, something of this. Just copy, go back. I'll click on this and remove this and paste my video link there. You can see this is it. The video is here. The video is already here. Have you seen? So the next thing we are going to do is we are going to make it look like this. Like we are going to write this caption here: if you're interested in the Netflix app, blah blah blah, click here to purchase a copy. So I have to copy this text here. You can write it down. You can write it down, copy the text here, and I'll click here and paste. You can see and paste it down there. Let's take a look. This is it. This is it. So this is our link that will take them directly to our WhatsApp, where they can actually purchase the Netflix hack app. So let me show you. I'm just making sure we follow all the steps here. If you like, you can put this button. If you don't like, you can just leave it. But to put this hand pointing down, the arrow hand, is not mandatory. So what we need to do is to get this our link that will get our leads directly to our WhatsApp. So you see the caption here, the right up here is click here to purchase a copy now. click here to purchase a copy. Now that's what we are going to do. We are going to work on this. Where you see I want access, you remove it and put in, click here to purchase a copy. Now, so the next thing, we're going to remove this, unlock the secret to maximize your digital revenue. We're going to remove this. How do we remove this? You click on the button here and scroll down, keep scrolling, and this is it. You just delete it out. Delete it out. See, we've actually deleted it. Then change the color here, the button color. You have to change it, give it a kind of a WhatsApp, a green color, that kind of WhatsApp color. Yeah, it should not be that thick. Okay, this is it, something of this type. Click here to purchase a copy. Now then we're going to add a WhatsApp logo in front. This is when you type here, let's write it a small letter. Sorry, this is WhatsApp here. You click on it and the button is going to come up. Let's take a view. Have you seen? This is it. This is it. The button will come up. So we're going to remove this. We are done. We are done with this. Okay, we are done with this. Have you seen? Our landing page has been created. Very simple and easy. So the next thing you're going to do is to add your WhatsApp link here. You know how to generate a WhatsApp link. We all know how to generate a WhatsApp link. Like if you have a group or you want a direct DM to your WhatsApp, what you're going to do is you'll go to Google and check for WhatsApp link. This is where you create a WhatsApp link. Click here, create a WhatsApp link. Visit this site, create.wa.link. Once you click on create a WhatsApp link, here they're going to ask you of your number. You add your number here. For instance, this is my number. I'm going to put this number. Then what do you want to write? Like, what do you want people to like? Once they click on that link, it will take them directly to your inbox and message you. Say something like, hello sir, I am ready to purchase your WhatsApp, to purchase your Netflix hack app. I want to make payments now. So that is what you are going to like message you. So let's preview it and see. You can see Global Connect. They will message you directly here. Okay, they are going to message you directly. So what you do is you click on create. Once you create the link, you copy the link and go back to your system.io Go back to your system.io. Sorry. Okay, you click on this. Okay, once you click on it, you will see action when a button is clicked. Once this button is clicked, the action that you want it to occur in this very page. This is when you have to paste your WhatsApp link there. Once you paste it, you click on save. See, preview. You can see everything is set now. Have you seen? Once I click here, it's taking me directly to the WhatsApp where you have to message me. For instance, I'll have to open my WhatsApp and you can see the message here. This is it. Hello sir, I'm ready to purchase your Netflix hack app. I want to make payments now. So guys, that is it. So let me show you something. One more thing, let me show you. So after that, you can see everything is okay and set. Let me just go back where you will be able to copy your link. You save this. Make sure you save this. After everything, you come here, this arrow pointing here, you click back. So we want to test run this stuff. So let's start from the squeeze page down to thank you page. Let's preview. This is it. Remember, there was a link I placed. I didn't place any link here. Once I click next, it's taking me to the next page, the thank you page. So let's preview. Once we click next, it's actually taking us to the landing page. Have you seen? It's actually taking us to the landing page. This is the landing page. Let me refresh. Okay, this is the landing page. Then once you're here, you just click here to purchase a copy now. You understand? Once you click here to purchase a copy now, it will not take you directly to your WhatsApp, where the person will have to now chat you and make payment for the Netflix app. Okay, that is exactly what we just did. Like, we are able to create a landing page. So in my next video, I'll be showing you how to get a domain name. Instead of using this name directly here that has to do with system.io, you get your own domain name and link it, and it will show. For instance, a domain name is something like netflixforall.com. So I'll show you how to get a domain name, where to get a cheaper domain name, and how to link it directly to your system.io. You don't need to be hosting it every month. Once you get your domain name, you just have to point it directly to your system.io and everything will be working for you perfectly. Okay, I hope you really enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, you subscribe, and also turn on your notification bell so that whenever I drop the second video that has to do with you linking your domain to system.io, you'll be the first to jump on it and go through the process. Thank you guys for watching this video. I really appreciate. This is legit hustle TV. If you know you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel and start receiving latest updates, latest videos on how to make money. You can see here there are a series of videos here. This is how to create a working paper account, how I got a UK SIM to use for my online survey, talking about a UK physical SIM, best VPN and app to create a bulletproof paper account, how to remove background with AI and get paid on Fiverr, how to unlock, how to withdraw PayPal fund in Africa through OPay, make $50 per sign up, like has to do with the affiliate marketing stuff. This is it. This is the course I'm actually teaching, how to be able to earn this. This is affiliate marketing. So I hope to see you guys next time. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, share this video with your friends and family, share it to your social media outlets. It might help those who are actually looking for these services. Thank you very much. I really appreciate.